So just a heads up for anyone who's been anticipating this new feature, there is now a beta release available for the GearTrains editor, which you can download. The beta release is actually fully featured at this point, but I'm making it a beta release so that people have time to use it and give me some feedback and let me know if they're having any bugs or stability issues before I make this the official release. The only other missing item is the video tutorial. I did post an informal tutorial, which I'll link in the description, to allow you to learn how to use it, but I will post a much more polished and more concise tutorial after I've considered feedback and gotten the bugs out of it. And that's just in case there are any changes that come from the testing and the feedback that would modify how the tutorial looks. So I'm holding off on the tutorial for now. You can get this beta release simply by going to Gearify.io website and clicking on the download page. And if you scroll down, you can see you can download the beta release and you install it just the same way as you normally would. You probably want to uninstall your current version of Gearify first, but you can go back and reinstall it here if you lose the installer. Yeah, I also put a link in the description for where to find the download link. So yeah, please give that a download, give the GearTrains editor a try. Let me know what you think. Please let me know if you're finding bugs. So I'll be able to address whatever the key issues are and hopefully update this to be the new official release very soon. So I hope you enjoy it. Please send me your feedback. Thank you.